Hi guys, welcome back to Get Free with Annie. That's me, I'm Annie. My channel is all about ways to get free. So time freedom is the most important. You can always make more money, but you can't make more time. So time freedom is when you don't have to trade your hour for a dollar amount of someone else's choosing. And that comes when you are financially free. So that's what I want this channel to be for you guys. I hope it helps you make decisions on what the best way for you is to get free, and let's get free together. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to another review with Get Free with Annie. That's me, I'm Annie. Let's jump right into this review. What is it? Conversiobot. It's an artificial intelligence chatbot. So it's a technology that's using cloud-based software. What is a chatbot, you may be asking? Any interaction that you have with your customers as far as sending or replying to comments or emails, the chatbot can and will do. It's like having a little personal assistant engage with all the customers on your website or blog. So the chatbot engages with your visitors in a fun little interactive way and makes them feel like they're actually talking to somebody instead of just looking at a screen. It is pretty sophisticated artificial intelligence, and it's to usually try to persuade your customers into opting into your email lists and replying to comments on Facebook and customer service, like this little thing right here. That could be considered part of a chatbot. So it's software that acts like a person on your website or Facebook page or whatever. And the Conversiobot founders are basically saying that they've seen their email lists grow almost twice as fast with this brand new chatbot software. So leads, emails, sales, they're getting a lot more of it now. So what's different about it? The main difference about this one compared to maybe other chatbot technologies is that it's very user friendly. So you basically just have to copy and paste one line of code into your website or blog and you're off and running. So by the end of this year, it's estimated that like 85% of customer interactions will be with bots. So you definitely want to jump on it if you can early. So even if you don't have that tech savvy, like I don't know what a chatbot is or how to use that, it's very user friendly and newbie friendly. What else is different about it? It's usable with pretty much any website. So e-commerce stores, local business sites, webinar registration pages, consulting, freelancing, drop shipping, sales letters, funnels, list building, WordPress, blogs, affiliate review sites, pretty much anything you can use it with. So you can integrate it with any of this stuff. A couple other things that are different about it. It's a one-time price right now with this coupon code, which I think changes every day. So I don't know how long the coupon code's going to be there, but it's a one-time price. So that's pretty different. Most of these chatbot softwares are monthly. So that's pretty cool. Also, you don't need any coding or tech skills to be able to do it. And this one, unlike other ones, includes 10 done-for-you chat templates, so you don't have to come up with the text or verbiage yourself. And then another thing that's really cool and different about this one is that you actually get the license with it. So if you come up with your own like very awesome template and text and verbiage in a chatbot sequence, you can actually sell that chatbot to like companies that you're helping out with marketing and stuff like that. So you can actually have the license to your chatbot template and then you can sell that. So that's pretty cool. So let's go over what's included and kind of the features of this software. So you get this beginner-friendly software. You don't need any knowledge about how to write code or any of that. And it helps you drive more leads and more sales on almost any website just by copying this one line of code and pasting it into your website. Another feature, it works with WordPress, ClickFunnels, Lead Pages, Shopify, JVZoo, Convertree, Magneto, PrestaShop, and just about any other website or landing page that you can think of. ClickBank, JVZoo, GrooveFunnels, tons and tons and tons. So it works with all of those. And it comes with a multi-site license, so you can install it on unlimited websites, not just one of those. It also comes with 10 done-for-you AI chat templates, so you don't have to come up with text and wording and copy yourself. However, you can create your own custom chatbot with your own text in just a few minutes. And it does fully integrate with Google Analytics, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Aweber, MailChimp, GetResponse, and it is GDPR compliant. Also, if you're worried about it being like out of your league, there are training videos that walk you step by step through everything. And also you can use it to provide customer support and reduce your support tickets dramatically. There's also a bunch of bonuses included. You get a commercial license, which means you can make your own chatbot template and then sell it. So to local businesses or social media marketers, you can actually sell them for a couple hundred to a few $100s. So that's pretty cool. You also get unlimited chatbots, so you can use them on all your website. You have a multi-site license, so they're unlimited. Basically, it doesn't matter if you have 50 websites or lead pages, you can use them on all of them. You'll also get the done-for-you AI chatbot templates. You get 10 of them. You get more if you upgrade to the Pro, but I'll go into that more. Also, they're very adamant about telling you that right now it's a one-time fee and pretty soon it's going to change to a monthly subscription. I feel like when it does change to a monthly subscription, everybody who has the software is going to have to update to that too, but you don't have to pay monthly right now, so that is cool. So how does it work? You basically buy the software. You don't need any special skills to use the software. You don't need to be tech savvy really at all. You don't need to know any code, which is awesome because that is confusing. And all you need is to copy and paste one line of code onto your website. So basically, it's 3 steps. You swipe one of the done for you chat template, then you click to generate a line of chatbot code, and then you copy and paste the code into your website, and boom, it's set up, it's going, it's working. So it's really freaking easy. So who is this for? Anyone, I would say, who has an online business or presence and can use this to their benefit. So you are maybe a blog owner or a product vendor online, you're a social media marketer or freelancer, affiliate marketers, local marketing and lead generation agencies, anybody who has any kind of online presence and is trying to get more traffic and more engagement with their audience. Also, I do think that it can be good for beginners just starting out or big, well-established businesses, depending on what you're looking for. I think that it's good for any online business owner that wants their audience to be able to engage with them without having to spend tons of time and hours in order to do so, or paying a social media manager to do so. That's really expensive. And also just any online business owner looking for an easy way to get feedback from their customers. This is a really good way to do that. Feedback's important. You want to know what your customers are missing, what they're liking. So this is really good for that. So they kind of go through who it is for right here. It's a little bit more salesy than the way I went through it, but let's go through it real quick. You're a website owner. You just want to explode your profit, or a service-based business, so local marketing agency, or even like a roofing company or something like that, and you're looking for more customers, you want to book more appointments, you are a newbie starting out online, you're trying to get faster traffic, this can help you get there. You're an affiliate marketer looking for done for you bots to help you get more sales because they can actually talk to your customers and say, enter your email here, da 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 da, and people will feel more engaged with. Also, you're an online e-com seller looking for more sales without spending more on traffic because this it's a way of getting you more traffic. Social marketer, video marketer, that's cool. Or even a brick and mortar business owner trying to just get more leads and you just have a website. A consultant trying to get more clients, a product vendor trying to get an advantage over your competitors, freelancer. So if you're like somebody who's graphic designer and you have a website and people want to ask you questions like, do you design this? Do you design that? It'd be really good for that. And then a blogger. So you really need engagement when you're blogging, and this is a really good way to do that without having to sit in front of your computer all day long. And then marketing agency, we kind of already went over that, but yeah, really good for all different kinds of people. Anybody that needs engagement and traffic without having to sit there and do that all day or pay an agency to do that. That's who this is for. And then who is it not for? Really just if you don't have or want to have an online presence at all, and you're probably not even reading this or watching this video if that's you. But that's who it's not for. You don't have an online presence and you're not looking for more engagement. Pros, there's a ton of pros. I've kind of already gone over them through just how it works, but basically my main pros, you can be a complete newbie. You don't need any special skills or experience. You don't need to know anything about coding. That's awesome for people like me who don't really know how to make things flashy. Obviously, you can see by my webcam screen recorded video, I'm not super tech savvy. I just like to give you the facts. So anyways, it's really good for people who aren't techie. You can literally add it to your website in a few minutes with one line of code. That's really awesome. Another pro, you can actually customize your own chatbot and sell it because they give you the licensing to that. Or you can use their done for you template. So you have the option. I like that. That's a pro. This is a huge pro right here. You can use it for customer support. Customer support's really annoying and it's nonstop. You constantly have customers asking you questions and needing help. You can use it for customer support and reduce your support tickets like dramatically. That's awesome. So I just want to say another pro, building an email list from your website is getting more difficult because website visitors have probably seen squeeze pages and opt-in forms a million times and are tired of just getting spammed with stuff like that all the time. So this software is kind of changing the way that you do business with customers a little bit. It feels more personalized instead of people just seeing like, put your email in here and I'm going to send you emails. They can actually type something in and someone can go, hey, yeah, how are you? That's great. We can send you that if you give us your email right here. And then they type their email in and then they get an immediate response. Hey, thanks for giving your email. We're not going to spam you. Like that just feels so much better than just typing your email into something and hoping that you don't get spammed 1,000 times, So that is a huge pro. Cons, I only really have a couple. The free templates, you only get 10 of them. It's not a whole lot. You have to upgrade to the pro version to get more. Then you get 110, but you have to upgrade to the pro version to get all that. And right now it's only, I think, $97 for the pro version. So that's not bad. And then another con, just they're constantly, if you didn't upgrade to the pro version, they're constantly just kind of trying to get you to upgrade to the pro version. So it's a little irritating sometimes. All right, I'm going to go through some frequently asked questions. Do you need to install this on your computer? No, you don't. There's nothing to install. You simply log in. You can just use the internet and log in on any device anywhere. Is it easy to use and is training included? Yeah, it's very easy to use. It's point and click simple. You can launch your first chatbot in about 3 steps, and there are pretty over-the-shoulder tutorials to help you. Do I get done for you chatbots? Yes, you get 10, and if you upgrade to the pro version, you get like 110. How many bots can I use? You can create an unlimited amount of chatbots. You can use them on as many of your websites as you want. Your purchase includes a multi-site license, so limited. Does this work in multiple languages? Yes, it does. Do I need a website to profit from Conversiobot? No, you don't. You can make your own template and then sell it because they give you a license, or you can use their link that they give you and you can put it on any third-party site. So if you're an affiliate marketer and you don't have a website, you don't need one. Is my data safe? Yes. Will this slow my website down? No. What's Conversiobot used for? I wanted to see what their answer was for this one. It's used for basically more engagement with your customers. They say increase your website's conversion rate through automated chat, get you significantly more leads than a contact form or registration form. That's cool. Didn't think about that. Automatically build email lists faster than an opt-in form. Yep, that's cool. Increase your sales through higher engagement. Yep. And used for customer support quizzes and surveys. That's awesome. Does it work on both PC and Mac? Yes. And on tablets and on phones. Do I need any coding skills or special skills? Nope. How do I get support? This one's kind of funny because they talk about how these chatbots can reduce your support tickets, and then if you open this, it says they'll help you with any general technical or billing queries. Simply submit a ticket. So it's kind of funny that they're not using their own software for customer support. Can I create my own bots? Yes, we already went over this. Can I sell the bots I create? Yes, we already went over this. Can I remove the Conversiobot branding and add my custom branding? Yes, you can. Is there a money back guarantee? Yes, there is. 30 days, no questions asked, no conditions attached. You just contact them and you get your refund in 30 days. How much does it cost? It's $37 one time right now, no monthly fee. And oh, I already went out of the form. If you like move your arrow out of the form, like you're gonna exit out of it, a little pop-up comes up and says, wait, we'll give you 25% off, and then you get it for $27 instead of $37. So make sure you do that. Also, there is a difference. You have to buy that Conversiobot first, and then after you already pay the $37, then they give you an option to buy or upgrade to Pro, and then it's $97. Again, it's not per month. It's only one time. They do a bunch more stuff for you. You get more templates. With the basic one, you do have to do a little bit more work. You have to manually add responses and questions. With this one, they do a lot more of that stuff for you. So my final thoughts, I do think that chatbots are essential for today's websites and blogs to gain traffic. If you want to encourage engagement and drive sales, I think you probably need one on your site. It's going to make you stand out from all the millions and millions of other people trying to get people to enter their email list in and get people on their email list. If you have a chatbot actually talking to someone and engaging with somebody, you're going to stand out and you're going to get more leads and more sales. So my final verdict is that I do recommend Conversiobot for anybody who has an online business. There are other chatbot softwares out there, but they are not as affordable and they are not as user-friendly. So I really like this one. Customers want to speak to businesses and feel like they are being heard. It builds trust. It builds authority. To do that every day with one of your customers takes hours. I know from experience. These bots are customized and created by you, so you are generally saying the same thing to people, but then you're just automating it. You're making it automated so that you don't have to do that hours a day. Automation is the key to passive income. So I really highly recommend these. Passive income is the key to having freedom to live the life you want. So I highly recommend this software. Thank you for tuning in for another review with Get Free with Annie. Go out and get free.